Orthopedic patients, especially those recovering from surgery, face a significantly higher risk of falling, whether it's a hip replacement, spinal procedure, or fracture repair. The post-operative phase is vulnerable time. In this video, we will learn why fall risk assessment is critical in orthopedic wards and how timely intervention can prevent complication and protect recovery. So, welcome to Medical Guruji. Let's learn why orthopedic patients are high risk. Let's start with basics. Orthopedic patients often experience reduced mobility due to pain, weakness, or surgical restriction. They have impaired balance and coordination, especially after lower limb procedures. They use of walking aids, which may be unfamiliar or improperly used. Medication side effects are there, including dizziness and analgesic or sedatives. Fear of movement, which can be paradoxically increase fall risk by promoting stiffness and poor gait mechanics. Now, one of the most critical scenario is hip fracture patient. These individuals are often elder, frail, and already at high baseline risk. Post surgery, they may be disoriented, weak, and hesitant to mobilize. Early mobilization is essential but must be done safely with supervision and proper aids. A fall risk after hip surgery can lead to implant fracture, refracture, or prolonged hospitalization. Fall risk assessment must be integrated into rehabilitation planning. Use tools like Morse fall scale or Trinity assessment to screen daily. Evaluate gait, balance, and transferability before each mobilization attempt. Collaborate with physiotherapists to tailor mobility goals and monitor progress. Ensure patients understand how to use walker, crutches, or canes correctly. Reassess risk after any change in condition, medication, or mobility status. In orthopedic wards, prevention also means modifying the environment. Keep floors dry and clutter-free. Ensure coal bells and walking aids are within reach. Use high-risk signage and wristbands. Educate staff to anticipate falls during toileting, transfer, and nighttime ambulation. Engage family member in safety protocols and discharge planning. In summary, orthopedic patients are uniquely vulnerable to falls, especially after surgery. A structured fall risk assessment combined with mobility monitoring and environmental safety is essential to protect recovery and prevent complication. In orthopedic wards, fall prevention is not optional. It is a core part of patient care. Assess early, intervene proactively, and make safety a shared responsibility. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Medical Guruji for more videos. Thank you.